Contractor's Cloud is a powerful church management software that's got a lot of potential, but before you make the investment, there are some things you should know. While it's a strong competitor in a crowded market, you'll want to consider several key factors to make sure it's the right fit for your organization. Stick around to the end where we'll share what we think could be a better option for you, and you can even try it for free. First thing you should know is that Contractor's Cloud provides an intuitive interface. This makes it easy to set up and start using right out of the box. However, when compared to competitors like Breeze or Planning Center, some users report a bit of a learning curve, especially when it comes to advanced features. Next thing you'll want to consider is customization. While Contractor's Cloud offers a lot of flexibility in terms of templates and workflows, it can feel a bit restrictive in some areas. Competitors like ChurchTrack offer a bit more room for tailoring your system to fit unique needs, especially if your church has specific reporting requirements. The third thing to note is that it's cloud-based, so you can access it from anywhere. This is a major plus if your team is spread out or works remotely. But if you're more accustomed to using on-premise software, or if your internet connection is unreliable, it could be a drawback. The fourth thing you'll want to consider is the mobile app. Contractor's Cloud does offer a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich or as user-friendly as some competitors. Planning Center, for example, has a much stronger mobile experience with real-time updates and push notifications. The fifth thing is its integration capabilities. Contractor's Cloud integrates with several popular tools, but its list isn't as long as what you'll find with competitors like Rock RMS. If seamless integration with your existing tools is a priority, you might need to evaluate whether these integrations cover all your needs. The sixth thing is the pricing model. Contractor's Cloud uses a subscription-based pricing structure, and while it's relatively affordable for smaller organizations, costs can add up if you need access to more advanced features or add more users. Be sure to compare this pricing model against competitors, as some offer tiered pricing based on church size, which might be more beneficial for you. Next thing to keep in mind is the support you'll receive. Contractor's Cloud offers customer support via email and phone, but response times can be slower compared to other church management software. If you need fast, reliable support, you may want to look at alternatives with a stronger support team, like church teams. The eighth thing to know is the reports and analytics. While Contractor's Cloud offers basic reporting, it doesn't provide the in-depth analytics some larger organizations need. Competitors like PushPay offer more detailed and customizable reports that can be more beneficial for strategic planning. The ninth thing is security. Contractor's Cloud does a solid job of securing your data with encryption, but if you handle sensitive member information, you may want to consider whether it meets the highest standards you require. Software like Tithe.ly provides extra layers of security features, which could be an important factor for your church. The 10th thing is ease of use. Generally, users find Contractor's Cloud fairly straightforward, but some of the advanced features aren't as intuitive. If your team isn't very tech savvy, you may encounter a learning curve. For an easier to navigate experience, Breeze may be a better option. The 11th thing to consider is automation. Contractor's Cloud automates many processes, like event scheduling and reminders, but it's not as automated as other systems like ChurchSuite. If you're looking for a platform that can handle more automated workflows, it may not be the perfect fit. And lastly, support for growth. If you're running a small to medium-sized church, Contractor's Cloud can scale with you, but if you're part of a larger church or looking to grow quickly, you may hit limitations with the current features. Competitors like ACS Technologies offer more scalability and robust systems to support growth over the long term. So, is Contractor's Cloud a good choice? Yes, it's a solid option for smaller churches looking for a user-friendly, cloud-based system with some good features at an affordable price. But if you want a more customizable, scalable solution with a stronger mobile app, better support, and more powerful integrations, we recommend checking out our preferred alternative, which you can try for free.